Hey there, my name is Dorian from Byrider Milwaukee. Just here to give you a quick 7 tips on some spring maintenance for your car. So first off, you're going to want to do a battery check and make sure that you have proper voltage in that battery so that your car can start up and that it can run well. If your battery level is low, you might go out there one day and your battery just doesn't start up for you. You need to get a little jumper. So make sure you're maintaining that and making sure it's nice and jumped. Replace your windshield wiper blades. The ice and everything could really take a hammer on your windshield wipers and they can wear them down. You're just going to want to make sure that you have that, as well as when it gets a little bit warmer out and the rain comes out, so you can have a nice clear windshield, able to drive nice and safe during the springtime. And then oil change and oil filters, that's something that you're going to want to be maintaining year round, but in the spring when the weather is changing, it's very important because that can be a little bit harder on your car during these times. But you're always going to want to make sure that you're keeping up on your oil changes and everything like that. That's very important for your maintenance. Another thing is belts and hoses. This might be a little bit more difficult for some, but those are very, very important because if your belt or your hose goes out, that can cause you to break down at any point during a stop. If any kind of serpentine belt or anything breaks, that also will be a very expensive fix. So you're going to want to make sure that you're just keeping on top of those. Your lighting, that's another thing. Your headlights and everything, you're going to want to make sure that these are all up to date. You don't want to have your headlights going out and then you're driving out in the dark. Someone else might not be able to see it. You might not be able to know even that it's out. So make sure that you're just checking that every once in a while so that it's up to date. And your fluids, last but not least, you're going to want to make sure that